Hi you guys, we need to get this nursery back in order. This is all clothes that don't fit him anymore. A bunch of these clothes in this closet doesn't fit him anymore either. We put a lot of clothes into storage. I am adding and decorating to his nursery. Everything came, so now I just need to clean this nursery before we start decorating. I also want to decorate his room for fall, so I definitely need to get this going. So let's go. Now I get why my brain was holding this off. I wasn't thinking about how hard this would be. I feel like he was in these clothes literally yesterday. Knowing that he'll never be in these clothes again, like half these clothes he didn't even get to wear because he grew so fast. Like this one. This is not for the weak. He was so tiny. I put him in this one a lot. He only fits in 12 months now, so I need to get rid of almost all of this. He still can fit in some 6 to 9, so I just kept the 6 to 9, moved it to the top. Now I'm putting all of the 9 to 12 down here. Then I'm gonna put all of the 12 to 18 month over here. These are his hats and beanies, his socks, his pants, and his blankets. I'm gonna quickly just reorganize all of these bins. Let the decorating begin. Love you guys.